In this bag, I have serums which I use for the last, let's say, 4 to 5 months. As you see for yourself, it's a lot of them. I'm gonna empty this bag and then we will see if it's gonna be one or two-part video. I'm gonna start with the hydrating serums, and as you see for yourself, yes, there is a quite bit of variety. And let me start with, let's say, with drugstore. From L'Oreal, I have their hyaluronic acid 1.5%. It was a nice product because it's L'Oreal, it's widely available. If you do decide to buy it, you can easily wait for the sale, let's say, wait for some kind of an offer and for coupons. As a product, yes, is nice. Do you need it? Yes and no. Hyaluronic acid, it keeps hydration inside our skin. However, right now, so many other products have hyaluronic acid that you don't really need a separate hyaluronic acid product. If you want it, yes, it is worth looking into it. Then from AVENE, I have their Soothing Hydration. Yeah, Rehydrating Serum for very dehydrated sensitive skin. This one has a jelly consistency, while this it's more creamy, and I do enjoy it. It does provide hydration, and most of the time I'm putting my hydrating serums after I'm gonna apply my vitamin C. In that case, it's not gonna be so sticky. Since this one was created for sensitive skin, you know it's gonna be really calming and soothing, and also it has AVENE famous thermal water. Sticking with thermal water from Vichy, I have their Vichy 89. I went through few big bottles of it and I do like it. What's the difference? This is more for sensitive skin, so let's say more problematic and allergic, while this is for everyone. I enjoy both of them. Going back to consistency, like this is creamy, those two will be more jelly like, and some people they use this instead of a moisturizer, but it's your own personal preference. From Indeed Lab, I have their Hyaluronic, that's their hydration booster, and similar as to the AVENE, it was having a milky consistency. It is a nice, simple hydrating booster. From La Roche-Posay, I have a small sample of their Hyalo 5 Serum, Anti-Aging Concentrate, Vitamin B5, Hyaluronic Acid. As a sample was nice, I will have to buy a bigger bottle. Yeah, I will have to buy a bigger size in order to give you more opinions. From Skin Medica, I have their Rejuvenated Hydrator. It was nice. I'm like, it's a hyaluronic acid, it's gonna work. And then the last item, it's from Bliss. That's their Glow and Hydrate Niacinamide Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this was a mixture of few different ingredients, including niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. If you don't know where to start but you want something, yes, you can easily give it a try. Will I repurchase? No. Oh yeah, going back. So no, I'm not gonna repurchase this. I have backup of the L'Oreal. I have a backup of the AVENE. I think I have one more of those as well. Yes, I do enjoy this one. No, I'm not gonna repurchase Skin Medica because it's kind of expensive. La Roche-Posay, it's a drugstore brand, so maybe in the future. And I think that's it. Okay, let me move over to the next category. Those are my vitamin C serum empties. Some of them I repurchased multiple times. Some I try it out and no, I'm not planning on rebuying. But let me start with the one which I do like. From number 7, I have their Vitamin C Fresh Radiance Essence. Yes, it's small. When you get it, it comes in a box where you have to put the powder in, break it, and then mix it. So technically, you're getting a fresh dose of vitamin C. Yes, I do like it. I went through a few bottles and I have few backups as well, especially now that number 7 they released their new vitamin C line, so I don't know if you can buy it anymore. As a serum, yes, it was nice. Then from Paula's Choice, I have their vitamin C 15% booster with vitamin E, Farolic acid. I went through many bottles of it, and I do like it. This was my first vitamin C serum which I start using, and I do enjoy it. This is one of those products which you can't really go wrong with. Yes, it is kind of spendy, so I would say look for the offers and try to buy it one while it's on sale. And one of the most populars on the market is the SkinCeuticals CE Farolic. And if I can compare it, this is $160. Yes, it works. Yes, it does the job. By the way, vitamin C is supposed to brighten your skin, work with discoloration, and also with free radicals. As much as this product is good, it is quite spendy, so the cheaper alternative is gonna be Paula's Choice. Why? Because let's say this is 50, this is 160. Technically, I can have 3 bottles instead of this. Yes, I do have 2 samples, so I use them up, but now I'm not gonna repurchase a full size because of the price range. From Misha, I have the vitamin C spot correcting ampoule. I don't remember the percentage of it. It was either 10 or 15. 10% vitamin C. Similarly, as with this product, this one has enclosed vitamin C powder, so you have to break it, shake it off, and then start using. Yes, I did like it, I enjoy it, and I was quite surprised. Price of the good performance. Unfortunately, here is only 15 grams, which is 0.5 ounce, which is not a lot. But in case if you are traveling, this one is perfect because it's gonna last you for like a couple weeks before you're gonna come back home. And then from e-cooking vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid and a couple other ingredients. This was having a nice jelly consistency because of the aloe vera which is inside. If you're looking for something more natural, why not? But no, I'm not planning on rebuying. Oh yeah, so no, I'm not gonna rebuy this. This one, I don't see it in the stores anymore. Possible I'm gonna buy one more of the Misha. For sure, I'm gonna buy the Paula's Choice and SkinCeuticals. No, not so much. And 2 more items from Estee Lauder. I have their Rapid Brightening Treatment Ferment and Vitamin C. It's a neat item. It has a creamy consistency. It's a small sample. I think I have one more. I will have to either get a bigger size or use for way longer in order to give you my opinion. And then from pure 100% pure vitamin C serum stable. I was quite surprised of how good this product was. If I will repurchase, I will see, because I try it, I like it. Will I repurchase? To be find out, because as you saw it, I have few other products which I enjoy more. This is the last tray of my serums, where I have night serums, peptides, and a couple other things. And if you question yourself how come I'm using so much, it's because I'm using serum in the morning and at night. So for example, in the morning I'm gonna apply my vitamin C, and then I'm gonna follow up with hydrating serum, while in the evening I'm gonna put, let's say, apply repair serum and then something else. On the nights when I'm gonna use retinol, I'm gonna follow up with a peptide serum. Technically I can use 3 to 4 serums within one day, and that's the reason how I end up with so many. But going back to what we're talking about, from Indeed Lab I have the resistance booster. This is like your serum which is supposed to strengthen your barrier, and similarly as with the AVENE, which was designed for more sensitive skin, this one has a glycerin which is a humectant. And when you can use it technically anytime, or let's say when you feel that your skin needs something and you don't know what, then you're gonna go for that resistance. Will I repurchase? Not really, because I have many other products to go through. Then from Estee Lauder, I have their Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. If you're familiar with the regular Advanced Night Repair, this one it's within the same family, but it has, I would say, 10 times more hyaluronic acid, meaning when your skin needs something, so let's say I show you this one, that's when you're gonna apply this. The consistency of it is different, it's more thicker, but it does performs well. However, you're only getting, how much? 0.68 ounce, which is 20 ml. So now you're not getting a lot of product. And that's the reason why I'm not gonna rebuy it, because I rather buy the big bottle of the Advanced Night Repair, and I'm gonna get at least what, 2 or 3 times more of the item. Sticking with ANR, that's the one which I was just talking to you about, and that's the regular ANR which I'm using for years. And yes, I do enjoy it. It's one of those products which will make your skin look better. When you wake up, it's gonna be nice, plump and juicy. That's the 1 ounce. Also, I have 2 smaller samples. And then from number 7, I have their booster serum with matrixyl. Matrixyl is a new form of a peptide. However, what's inside are the new kit on the black, which will work with your skin and make the lines less visible. I went through a few of those and I do enjoy it. It's one of those things which, when you use it, you're gonna see the results, or I should say, when you stop using it, you kind of questioning yourself, why my skin looks different? And that's the reason why. And yes, I do like it. I went through a few of those and I already have a couple backups waiting on me. And most of the time I'm buying this while it's an offer. So yes, for sure I'm gonna repurchase this. I already have many backups of the ANR. And what else I was talking about? No, I'm not gonna buy this or this one. I have a big size of the booster and also the small sample. And sticking with the peptides, from Indeed Lab, I have their Pepta Bright Moisturizing Cream Serum. I'm using peptides and ceramides after I'm gonna apply the retinol. So in that case, your skin is not gonna be so harsh on you few days after, when the retinol is gonna start working, or I should say when the retinol is gonna work with your skin. 2 more items left from Origins. I have their anti-aging power serum. If you're familiar with Clarine's double serum, which has many plant extracts, this is something similar. However, it has a creamy consistency. I was surprised that I did enjoy this product, and I'm planning on buying the full size because I like what it did to my skin. And this is what, 27 ml, almost 1 ounce. I think there is a bigger size. The last one is from Paula's Choice. That's their Skin Balancing Super Antioxidant Concentrate Serum, normal only combination. This took me by surprise. I was expecting a serum, and yes, I did get a serum, but because it's for combination on oily skin, it also has mattifying properties. Did I finish it up? Yes. Will I rebuy it? To be find out. But in case, if you're looking for something with mattifying properties, it was a good product. And that brings us to the end of video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye.